Question 11 says a rectangle has a perimeter of 15 centimeters. The rectangle is enlarged by a scale factor of 2. Question 11a. Work out the perimeter of the enlarged rectangle. This is a straight question. A rectangle has an initial perimeter of 15 centimeters. If it is enlarged by a scale factor of 2, all you need to do is to multiply the 2 times the perimeter, which is 15. So you have your answer as 15 times 2, or 2 times 15, that's 30. So you have it as 30 centimeters. If it were enlarged by a scale factor of 3, you multiply the perimeter by 3. If it were by a scale factor of half, that's reduced, you multiply the 15 by half. It's that easy. And for you to really understand it, let's say you have a rectangle which is 2 by 3. A rectangle of 2 by 3, you can say this is 3 and this is 2. Opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Perimeter means adding all the sides. So you have 2 plus 3, that's 5. 5 plus 2, that's 7. 7 plus 3, that's 10. Let's say we now enlarge this rectangle by a scale factor of 2. So instead of having 2 here, you'll be having 4. That's 2 times 2, that's 4. We've enlarged it by multiplying it by 2. Then in 3, 2, we enlarge it by multiplying it by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. And if this is 6, this is also 6. And if this is 4, this is also 4. We add all the sides together. 4 plus 6, that's 10. 10 plus 4, that's 14. 14 plus 6, that's 20. The actual perimeter is 10, but when you increase it by a scale factor of 2, you get 20. For 10 to give you 20, you have to multiply 10 by 2 to give you 20. Same as if you have the perimeter of this, just multiply by 2, you get your result. Question 11b says the area of the rectangle is 11 centimeters square. Work out the area of the enlarged rectangle. If the area of the rectangle is 11 centimeters square and the rectangle was enlarged by a scale factor of 2, the scale factor of 2 can also be regarded as linear scale factor, which is 2, which you can change to the area scale factor. To change from linear to area scale factor, you power the linear scale factor by 2. So the area scale factor is 2 to the power of 2. If this were 3, if the linear scale factor were to be 3, to get the area scale factor, it will be 3 to the power of 2. You power the 3 by 2, or you square the 3. That's area scale factor. Now that we know our area scale factor is 2 squared, that's 2 times 2, which is 4. Finding the area of the enlarged triangle is just as simple as multiplying the area of the initial triangle by the area scale factor, which is 4. So you have it as 11 times 4, which is 44 centimeters square. You can also use this to prove it. Let's say you have 2 to 3, it's being enlarged by a scale factor of 2. So the 2 therefore now becomes 2 times 2, that's 4, and 3 times 2, that's 6. The area of the initial rectangle, which is length times breadth, is 2 times 3, that's 6. Of the enlarged rectangle, it's 4 times 6. 4 times 6, or 6 times 4, that's 24. What would you multiply by 6 to give you 24? You multiply 4 by 6 to give you 24, which is the area scale factor, that's 4. So I hope you understand this.